am Josna Sabu Sebastian, an author of a book which explains the importance of sex education in children. As I said in the previous video, we can start talking to our kids from the age 0. Yes, from the age 0. Sex education at the age of 0 might sound unusual, but it's all about laying the groundwork for healthy relationships and body awareness. From the moment a baby is born, they are learning about their bodies and the world around them. It's crucial to create an environment where they feel safe and respected. Use simple language to explain body parts, calling them by their correct names. For example, when we change a diaper, we talk to them, explaining what we are doing and why. We can also make an effort to utilize the appropriate genital phrases like buttock, penis, and scrotum while changing a diaper, for instance, and breast when applying cream or oil. This helps children understand their bodies and fosters a sense of ownership. Also, this is the first step in helping them understand their bodies and the importance of privacy. This lays the groundwork for healthy conversations about relationships and respect as they mature. Even in infancy, we can teach consent through simple actions, like asking for permission before picking them up. As they grow, we can introduce concepts of body autonomy, explaining that their body belongs to them. Make these types of conversations a natural part of our life, like talking about feelings or family. This way, when they grow older, they'll feel comfortable coming to you with questions, knowing they can talk about anything without fear or shame. It's all about building a safe space for healthy conversations. Sex education isn't just about the mechanics, it's about instilling values that will guide them throughout their lives. Let's start early, nurturing a generation that values respect and understanding in all relationships. It's also important to start early to explain to kids that no one except mommy and daddy or a nanny or grandparent are allowed to touch their private parts. Also, tell them that even a doctor is allowed to touch their private parts if mommy or daddy are there as well. Why do we want them this? Wait, I'll go into more detail in my next videos. Keep an eye out. Thanks for watching.